Hi there, I'm Yuli from Yuli English. You like English? Today we are going to study about to be.
To be. What is to be? Kira-kira apa ya to be itu? Yuk kita pelajari bersama untuk mengetahui penjelasan dari to be tersebut. To be biasanya diartikan sebagai kata bantu atau kata penghubung dari subjek ke predikat. Jadi, to be itu adalah kata bantu atau kata penghubung yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan dari subjek ke predikat. Sebelum kita mempelajari dari penggunaan to be, sebaiknya kita harus terlebih dahulu mengetahui subjeks dalam bahasa Inggris. There are 7 subjects in English. Ada 7 subjek dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama adalah saya, I. Kedua, kamu, you. Ketiga, mereka, they. Keempat, kami atau kita, we. Kelima, dia, perempuan, she. Keenam, dia laki-laki, he. Ketujuh, untuk menggantikan benda atau binatang kita gunakan it. Subjects in English, I, you, they, we, she, he, it. I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Terdapat 5 to be dalam bahasa Inggris, yaitu is, am, are, was, were. Is, am, are, was, were. Dalam bentuk present, to be yang dipakai yaitu is, am, are. She, he, it menggunakan to be is, I menggunakan to be am, you, we, they menggunakan to be are. To be positive, she is, he is, it is, I am, you are, we are, they are. She is, he is, it is, I am, you are, we are, they are. To be negative, she is not, he is not, it is not, I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not. Dalam bentuk negatif, semua ditambah not, yang artinya adalah tidak. She is not, he is not, it is not, I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not. Negative contractions. She is not menjadi she's not. He is not menjadi he's not. It is not menjadi it's not. I am not menjadi I'm not. You are not menjadi you're not. We are not menjadi we're not. They are not menjadi they're not. She's not, he's not, it's not, I'm not, you're not, we're not, they're not. Negative contractions. She is not menjadi she isn't. He is not menjadi he isn't. It is not menjadi it isn't. I am not menjadi I'm not. You are not menjadi you aren't. We are not menjadi we aren't. They are not menjadi they aren't. She isn't. He isn't. It isn't. I'm not. You aren't. We aren't. They are. To be plus adjective. kata bantu ditambah kata sifat. Contohnya, I am happy, saya bahagia. She is beautiful, dia cantik. They are smart, mereka pintar. That cat is cute, kucing itu adalah imut. Subjek yang dipakai adalah I, she, they, that cat. Di sini that cat untuk menggantikan nama binatang, cat. That cat bisa menjadi it. Kemudian kata bantu atau to be yang dipakai adalah am, is, are, is. Dan kata sifat yang dipakai happy, beautiful, smart, cute. I am happy. She is beautiful. They are smart. That cat is cute. To be plus adverb. Kata bantu ditambah kata keterangan. Contohnya, I am at home. Saya berada di rumah. She is in the office. Dia berada di kantor. We are in Samosir Island. Kami berada di Pulau Samosir. Subjek yang dipakai adalah I, she, we. To be-nya am, is, are. Dan kata keterangan yang dipakai adalah at home, in the office, in Samosir Island. I am at home. She is in the office. We are in Samosir Island. To be plus noun. Kata bantu ditambah kata benda. Contohnya, she is a teacher. Dia seorang guru. He is a student. Dia seorang murid. I am a dentist. Saya seorang dokter gigi. We are doctors. Kami dokter. Subjek yang dipakai adalah she, he, I, we. Dan to be yang dipakai is, am, are. Noun atau kata benda yang dipakai adalah a teacher, a student, a dentist, doctors. She is a teacher. He is a student. I am a dentist. We are doctors. To be plus verb ing. Kata bantu ditambah kata kerja yang ditambah dengan ing. Verb ing di sini mempunyai arti sesuatu yang kita lakukan sedang berlangsung. Contohnya, I am studying. Saya sedang belajar. We are cooking. Kami sedang memasak. My father is driving car. Ayah saya sedang mengemudikan mobil. Subjek yang dipakai adalah I, we, my father. My father di sini adalah he. Dia laki-laki. To be yang dipakai adalah am, are, is. Dan verb ing yang dipakai adalah studying, cooking, driving car. I am studying. We are cooking. My father is driving car. Yang kedua dalam bentuk past, to be yang dipakai adalah was dan were. I, see, he, it menggunakan was. You, they, we menggunakan were. To be positive, I was, she was, he was, it was, you were, they were, we were. Sekali lagi, I was, she was, he was, it was, you were, they were, we were. To be negative, I was not, she was not, he was not, It was not. You were not. They were not. We were not. I was not. She was not. He was not. It was not. You were not. They were not. We were not. Negative contractions. Singkatan dalam bentuk negatif. I was not menjadi I wasn't. She was not menjadi she wasn't. He was not menjadi he wasn't. It was not menjadi it wasn't. You were not menjadi you weren't. They were not menjadi they weren't. We were not menjadi we weren't. I wasn't. She wasn't. He wasn't. It wasn't. You weren't. They weren't. We weren't. Contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk past atau lampau. Yuk kita simak bersama. Contoh yang pertama, he was in Japan. Dia berada di Jepang. Di sini, subject plus to be plus adverb. Jadi subjeknya diikuti oleh kata bantu was dan kata keterangan atau adverb-nya itu adalah in Japan, menunjukkan kata keterangan tempat. Contoh kedua, they were smart. Mereka pintar atau smart. Di sini, subjeknya diikuti oleh to be dan adjective. Subjeknya adalah they, kata bantunya adalah were, adjektifnya atau kata sifat yang dipakai adalah smart. Contoh yang ketiga adalah my sister was singing. Kakak saya sedang menyanyi. Di sini subjek diikuti oleh kata bantu dan diikuti kata kerja yang ditambah ing. Subjek plus to be plus verb ing. Subjeknya yang dipakai di sini adalah my sister, itu masuk ke she atau dia perempuan. Kata bantunya adalah was dan kata kerja yang ditambah ing di sini singing. Kata kerja yang ditambah ing itu mengartikan bahwa sesuatu yang kita lakukan sedang berlangsung. Contoh keempat, she was student. Dia pelajar. Di sini subjek diikuti oleh to be plus noun. Subjeknya diikuti kata bantu dan kata benda. Subjek ini pakai adalah she, sedangkan to be-nya adalah was, dan noun atau kata bendanya adalah student. He was in Japan sebagai adverb atau kata keterangan. They were smart sebagai kata sifat atau adjective. My sister was singing sebagai verb in atau kata kerja ditambah in. She was student sebagai noun atau kata benda. He was in Japan. They were smart. My sister was singing. She was student. Sebagai catatan, penggunaan to be dapat berubah sesuai dengan kapan sesuatu itu terjadi. Artinya, to be yang kita pakai dapat berubah berdasarkan waktu yang terjadi. Misalnya, apakah waktunya terjadi hari ini, ataukah sedang berlangsung, atau sudah lewat, ataukah waktunya terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Jika terjadi sekarang disebut dengan present, sedang berlangsung itu continuous, sudah terjadi itu past, dan akan terjadi disebut dengan future. Baiklah, mari kita perhatikan contoh-contoh berikut ini. She is here. Dia berada di sini. Kalimat ini menggunakan bentuk present karena situasi kejadiannya adalah sekarang. They are watching TV. Mereka sedang menonton TV. Kalimat ini menggunakan bentuk continuous karena situasi terjadinya yaitu sedang berlangsung. Dapat kita lihat dari kata watching atau sedang menonton. Contoh yang ketiga, my sister was in Pulau Rakyat last month. Kakak saya berada di Pulau Rakyat bulan lalu. Kalimat ini menggunakan bentuk past atau yang sudah terjadi atau bentuk lampau. Dapat kita lihat dari kata last month. Menunjukkan bulan lalu, sesuatu itu sudah terjadi di bulan lalu. Makanya disebut dalam bentuk past. Yang terakhir, I will be there. Saya akan berada di sana. Kalimat ini merupakan bentuk future karena situasinya terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Penggunaan to be dalam bentuk negatif. Nomor 1, she is a teacher. Dia seorang guru. Bentuk negatifnya, she is not a teacher. Dia bukan seorang guru. Dapat juga kita singkat menjadi she isn't a teacher. Nomor 2, I am in Bali. Saya berada di Bali. Bentuk negatifnya, I am not in Bali. Saya tidak berada di Bali. Atau dapat kita singkat menjadi I'm not in Bali. Nomor 3, they are reading. Mereka sedang membaca. Bentuk negatifnya, they are not reading. Mereka tidak sedang membaca. Atau dapat kita singkat menjadi they aren't reading. Nomor 4, he was a policeman. Dia adalah seorang polisi. Bentuk negatifnya, he was not a policeman. Dia bukan seorang polisi. Atau dapat kita singkat menjadi he wasn't a policeman. Nomor 5, we were in Parapat. Kami berada di Parapat. Bentuk negatifnya, we were not in Parapat. Kami tidak berada di Parapat. Atau dapat kita singkat menjadi we weren't in Parapat. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi bentuk negatif, maka kita dapat memasukkan not setelah to be. Contohnya is not, am not, are not, was not, were not. She is a teacher. She is not a teacher. I am in Bali. I am not in Bali. They are reading. They are not reading. He was a policeman. He was not a policeman. We were in Parapat. We were not in Parapat. She is not a teacher. She isn't a teacher. I am not in Bali. I'm not in Bali. They are not reading. They aren't reading. He was not a policeman. He wasn't a policeman. We were not in Parapat. We were. Penggunaan to be dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Di sini ada beberapa contoh dari bentuk positif menjadi bentuk pertanyaan. Nomor 1, it is your book. Itu bukumu. Dapat diubah menjadi pertanyaan, is it your book? Apakah itu bukumu? Is diletakkan di awal kalimat untuk membuat kalimat itu menjadi bentuk pertanyaan. It is menjadi is it. Kalau jawaban kita ya, kita dapat mengucapkan yes I am. Tetapi kalau jawaban kita tidak, kita dapat mengucapkan no I am not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no I'm not. Nomor 2, they are doctors. Mereka dokter. Dapat diubah menjadi bentuk pertanyaan. Are they doctors? Apakah mereka dokter? Are diletakkan di awal kalimat untuk membentuk kalimat itu menjadi bentuk pertanyaan. They are menjadi are they. Jika jawaban kita adalah ya, kita dapat mengucapkan yes they are. Tapi jikalau jawaban kita tidak, kita dapat mengucapkan no they are not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no they aren't. Nomor 3, he is climbing the mountain. Dia sedang mendaki gunung. Dapat diubah menjadi dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Is he climbing the mountain? Apakah dia sedang mendaki gunung? Jikalau to be is kita letakkan di awal kalimat, itu akan membentuk suatu kalimat pertanyaan. He is menjadi is he. Jikalau jawabannya ya, dapat disebutkan yes he is. Tapi jikalau jawabannya adalah tidak, dapat disebutkan no he is not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no he isn't. Nomor 4, she is smart. Dia pintar. Dapat diubah menjadi bentuk pertanyaan, is she smart? Apakah dia pintar? To be is, jikalau diletakkan di awal kalimat akan membentuk pertanyaan. She is menjadi is she. Jikalau jawabannya ya, dapat disebutkan yes she is. Tapi jikalau jawabannya adalah tidak, dapat disebutkan no she is not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no she is. Nomor 5, they were in Italy. Mereka berada di Italia. Bentuk pertanyaannya, were they in Italy? Apakah mereka berada di Italia? They were berubah menjadi were they. Jikalau jawabannya adalah ya, dapat disebutkan yes, they were. Tapi jikalau jawabannya tidak, dapat diucapkan no, they were not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no, they weren't. Nomor 6, she was a teacher. Dia seorang guru. Bentuk pertanyaannya, was she a teacher? Apakah dia seorang guru? She was berubah menjadi was she. Jikalau jawabannya ya, dapat diucapkan yes, she was. Tapi jikalau jawabannya tidak, dapat diucapkan no, she was not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no, she wasn't. Nomor 7, he was 21 years old. Dia berusia 21 tahun. Bentuk pertanyaannya, was he 21 years old? Apakah dia berusia 21 tahun? He was berubah menjadi was he. Jikalau jawaban kita adalah ya, maka dapat diucapkan yes, he was. Tapi jikalau jawabannya tidak, dapat diucapkan no, he was not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no, he wasn't. Nomor 8, we were cooking the fried rice. Kami sedang memasak nasi goreng. Bentuk pertanyaannya, were we cooking the fried rice? Apakah kami sedang memasak nasi goreng?
We were berubah menjadi were we. Tetap kita ingat rumusnya, jikalau ingin mengubah bentuk positif menjadi bentuk pertanyaan, to be-nya were kita letakkan di awal kalimat. Jikalau jawabannya adalah ya, dapat diucapkan yes we were. Tetapi jikalau jawabannya adalah tidak, dapat diucapkan no we were not, atau dapat disingkat menjadi no we weren't.
Subjek I, to be yang dipakai dalam bentuk present adalah am, dalam bentuk past adalah was. Subjek you, to be yang dipakai dalam bentuk present yaitu are, dalam bentuk past adalah were. Subjek we atau they, to be yang dipakai dalam bentuk present adalah are, dalam bentuk past adalah were. Subjek he, she, it, to be yang dipakai dalam bentuk present adalah is, sedangkan dalam bentuk past adalah were. Untuk lebih memahami lebih jauh, mari kita perhatikan contoh-contoh berikut ini. To be dalam bentuk afirmatif. I am, contohnya I am from New Zealand. Saya berasal dari Selandia Baru. You are, contohnya you are Chilean. Kamu adalah orang Chile. He is 20 years old. Dia berusia 20 tahun. She is, contohnya she is a nurse. Dia adalah seorang perawat. It is, contohnya it is a big dog. Itu adalah seekor anjing besar. We are, contohnya we are intelligent. Kami adalah cerdas. You are students. Kamu adalah pelajar. They are married. Ini adalah contoh singkatan to be dalam bentuk positif. I am, singkatannya I'm, contohnya I'm from New Zealand. You are, singkatannya you're, contohnya you're Chilean. He is, singkatannya he's, contohnya he's 20 years old. She is, singkatannya she's, contohnya she's a nurse. It is, singkatannya it's, contohnya it's a big dog. We are, singkatannya we're, contohnya we're intelligent. You are, singkatannya you're, contohnya you're students. They are, singkatannya they're, contohnya they're married. Contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk negatif. Subjek I, pasangannya am not, contohnya I am not from Spain. Saya tidak berasal dari Spanyol. Subjek you, pasangannya are not, contohnya you are not Australian. Kamu bukan orang Australia. Subjek he, pasangannya is not, contohnya he is not 30 years old. Dia tidak berusia 30 tahun. Subjek she, pasangannya is not, contohnya she is not a secretary. Dia tidak seorang sekretaris. Subjek it, pasangannya is not, contohnya it is not a small cat.
itu bukan seekor kucing yang kecil. Subjek we, pasangannya are not. Contohnya, we are not stupid. Kami bukan bodoh. Subjek you, pasangannya are not. Contohnya, you are not teachers. Kamu bukan guru. Subjek they, pasangannya are not. Contohnya, they are not single. Mereka bukan single atau sendiri. I am not from Spain. You are not Australian. He is not 30 years old. She is not a secretary. It is not a small cat. We are not stupid. You are not teachers. They are not single. Singkatan dalam bentuk negatif. I'm not from Spain. You're not Australian. Atau you aren't Australian. He's not 30 years old. Atau he isn't 30 years old. She's not a secretary. Atau she isn't a secretary. It's not a small cat. Atau it isn't a small cat. We're not stupid. Atau we aren't stupid. You're not teachers. Atau you aren't teachers. They're not single. Atau they aren't single. I'm not from Spain. You're not Australian or you aren't Australian. He's not 30 years old or he isn't 30 years old. She's not a secretary or she isn't a secretary. It's not a small cat or it isn't a small cat. We're not stupid or we aren't stupid. You're not teachers or you aren't teachers. They're not single or they aren't single. Di sini ada beberapa contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk afirmatif berubah menjadi bentuk question. I am intelligent. Saya cerdas. Pertanyaannya, am I intelligent? Apakah saya cerdas? You are a student. Kamu adalah seorang pelajar. Pertanyaannya, are you a student? Apakah kamu seorang pelajar? He is a pilot. Dia seorang pilot. Pertanyaannya, is he a pilot? Apakah dia seorang pilot? She is from Spain. Dia berasal dari Spanyol. Pertanyaannya, is she from Spain? Apakah dia berasal dari Spanyol? It is a big house. Itu adalah sebuah rumah yang besar. Pertanyaannya, is it a big house? Apakah itu sebuah rumah yang besar? We are ready. Kami siap. Pertanyaannya, are we ready? Apakah kami siap? You are doctors. Kamu adalah dokter. Pertanyaannya, are you doctors? Apakah kamu dokter? They are rich. Mereka kaya. Pertanyaannya, are they rich? Apakah mereka kaya? Let's read once more. I am intelligent. Menjadi Am I intelligent? You are a student. Menjadi Are you a student? He is a pilot. Menjadi Is he a pilot? She is from Spain. Menjadi Is she from Spain? It is a big house. Menjadi Is it a big house? We are ready. Menjadi Are we ready? You are doctors. Menjadi Are you doctors? They are rich. Menjadi Are they rich? Untuk mengubah ke dalam bentuk pertanyaan, nadanya saat kita ucapkan menjadi naik. Contohnya, Am I intelligent? Contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk question atau bentuk pertanyaan beserta short answers atau jawaban singkat. Yang pertama, Am I intelligent? Jawabannya Yes, you are atau No, you aren't. Yang kedua, Are you a student? Jawabannya Yes, I am atau No, I am not. Yang ketiga, Is he a pilot? Yes, he is atau No, he isn't. Yang keempat, Is she from Spain? Jawabannya Yes, she is atau No, she isn't. Yang kelima, Is it a big house? Jawabannya Yes, it is atau No, it isn't. Yang keenam, Are we ready? Jawabannya Yes, we are atau No, we aren't. Yang ketujuh, Are you doctors? Jawabannya Yes, we are atau No, we aren't. Yang terakhir, Are they rich? Jawabannya Yes, they are atau No, they aren't. Mari kita baca sekali lagi, tetapi dengan cara memilih hanya satu jawaban saja. Contohnya, Am I intelligent? Yes, you are. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Is he a pilot? Yes, he is. Is she from Spain? No, she isn't. Is it a big house? Yes, it is. Are we ready? Yes, we are. Are you daughters? No, we aren't. Are they rich? Yes, they are. Contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk past. Yang pertama, to be dalam bentuk afirmatif. Subjek I to be-nya was. Contohnya, I was tired this morning. Saya lelah pagi ini. Subjek you to be-nya were. Contohnya, you were very good. Kamu sangat baik. Atau kamu sangat bagus. Subjek he to be-nya was. Contohnya, he was the best in his class. Dia adalah yang terbaik di kelasnya. Subjek she to be-nya was. Contohnya, she was late for work. Dia terlambat kerja. Subjek it to be-nya was. Contohnya, it was a sunny day. Subjek we to be-nya were. Contohnya, we were at home. kami di rumah. Subjek you to be-nya were. Contohnya, you were on holiday. Kamu liburan. Subjek they to be-nya were. Contohnya, they were happy with their test results. Mereka bahagia dengan hasil tesnya atau nilai tes mereka. Let's read once again. I was tired this morning. You were very good. He was the best in his class. She was late for work. It was a sunny day. We were at home. You were on holiday. They were happy with their test result. Contoh dalam bentuk negatif. I was not. Contohnya, I was not tired this morning. Saya tidak lelah pagi ini. You were not. Contohnya, you were not crazy. Kamu tidak gila. He was not. Contohnya, he was not married. Dia tidak menikah. She was not. Contohnya, she was not famous. Dia tidak terkenal. It was not. Contohnya, it was not hot yesterday. Tidak panas semalam. We were not. Contohnya, we were not invited. Kami tidak diundang. You were not. Contohnya, you were not at the party. Kamu tidak berada di pesta. They were not. Contohnya, they were not friends. Mereka tidak berteman. Let's read once again. I was not tired this morning. You were not crazy. He was not married. She was not famous. It was not hot yesterday. We were not invited. You were not at the party. They were not friends. Singkatan dalam bentuk negatif. I was not tired this morning. Atau I wasn't tired this morning. You were not crazy. Atau you weren't crazy. He was not married. Atau he wasn't married. She was not famous. Atau she wasn't famous. It was not hot yesterday. Atau it wasn't hot yesterday. We were not invited. Or we weren't invited. You were not at the party. Atau you weren't at the party. They were not friends. Atau they weren't friends. Penggunaan to be dalam bentuk afirmatif berubah menjadi question. Yang pertama, I was late. Saya terlambat. Berubah menjadi was I late? Apakah saya terlambat? You were sick. Kamu sakit. Menjadi were you sick? Apakah kamu sakit? He was surprised. Dia terkejut. Menjadi was he surprised? Apakah dia terkejut? Selanjutnya, she was from Italy. Dia berasal dari Italia. Pertanyaannya, was she from Italy? Apakah dia berasal dari Italia? It was a big house. Itu adalah sebuah rumah yang besar. Pertanyaannya, was it a big house? Apakah itu sebuah rumah yang besar? We were ready. Kami siap. Were we ready? Apakah kami siap? You were early. Menjadi were you early? They were busy. Menjadi were they busy? Was I late? Were you sick? Was he surprised? Was she from Italy? Was it the big house? Were we ready? Were you early? Were they busy? Contoh penggunaan to be dalam bentuk question atau pertanyaan dengan jawaban singkat atau short answers. Yang pertama, was I late? Jawabannya, yes you were atau no you weren't. Yang kedua, were you sick? Jawabannya, yes I was atau no I wasn't. Yang ketiga, was he surprised? Jawabannya, yes he was atau no he wasn't. Yang keempat, was she from Italy? Jawabannya, yes she was atau no she wasn't. Yang kelima, was it a big house? Jawabannya, yes it was atau no it wasn't. Yang keenam, were we ready? Jawabannya, yes we were atau no we weren't. Yang ketujuh, were you early? Jawabannya, yes we were atau no we weren't. Yang terakhir, were they busy? Jawabannya, yes they were atau no they weren't. Mari kita baca sekali lagi tetapi dengan memilih salah satu jawaban saja. Was I late? No, you weren't. Were you sick? No, I wasn't. Was he surprised? Yes, he was. Was she from Italy? Yes, she was. Was it a big house? No, it wasn't. Were we ready? Yes, we were. Were you early? Yes, we were. Were they busy? No, they weren't. Summary. To be simple present tense. Singular, I, you, he, she, it. Affirmative sentences. I am happy. You are at school. He is hungry. She is a nurse. It is big. Negative sentences. I am not sad. You aren't at home. He isn't thirsty. She isn't a pilot. It isn't small. Plural. We, you, they. Affirmative sentences. We are early. You are students. They are quiet. Negative sentences. We aren't late. You aren't teachers. They aren't noisy. Questions. They are happy. Are they happy? Short answer. Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Next, she is rich. Is she rich? Short answer. Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. Contractions. I am not. I'm not. He is not. He's not. He isn't. You are not. You're not. You aren't. We are not. We're not. We aren't. They are not. They're not. They aren't. Summary to be in the past tense. Affirmative sentences. I was happy. He was hungry. She was a nurse. It was big. We were early. You were at school. They were quiet. Negative sentences. I wasn't sad. He wasn't thirsty. She wasn't a teacher. It wasn't small. We weren't late. You weren't at home. They weren't noisy. Questions. They were happy. Were they happy? Short answer. Yes, they were. Or no, they weren't. She was rich. Was she rich? Short answer. Yes, she was. Or no, she wasn't. WH word. Where, why, when. Plus to be, was, were. Plus subject, I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Plus complement. For example, sick, tired, ready. For example, why was he angry? Where were you yesterday? When was she nervous? Who were those people? Why was he angry? Where were you yesterday? When was she nervous? Who were those people? Thank you for watching this video. Let's practice every day to make our English be better. Thank you and God bless us.
Yoo-hoo! Wing wing wing! Thank you for watching! From Yul English, you like English.